Hello, I'm Deborah. I'm 72 years old. I've had osteoarthritis since I was about 35, and I've had a long history of exercise, running for decades, and now these days I don't run. My arthritis became so bad that I've had a double knee replacement and a hip with great outcomes. But I love to exercise, and one of the reasons I had the surgery was I didn't want to lose my fitness level. So I do yoga 4 or 5 times a week. I'm now doing powerlifting as well, which is going quite well. I'm finding it's quite good. I walk, I swim, and I do some weights in the gym, and all of that has helped me greatly to keep my mobility. I also observe a pretty strict low-carb diet, which is anti-inflammatory, which definitely makes a difference to my quality of life.